Finally, after decades of talk, lawsuits, environmental reports, and request for funding from the federal government, Hollywood Burbank Airport is finally going to get its new terminal. On Thursday morning, January 25, 2024, the groundbreaking was held on the site of the new terminal that will have an entrance at Hollywood Way and Winona in Burbank. Close to 250 people were on hand for the ceremonial groundbreaking, shoveling, and, of course, speeches. The airport, originally named United Airport, had its terminal dedication during Decoration Day, which was later named Memorial Day in 1968, during the weekend of May 1930, and lasted until 1940 when it became Lockheed Air Terminal until 1967. The name was changed to Hollywood Burbank in 1967 until the cities of Burbank, Glendale, and Pasadena bought the airport in 1978 and used that as the name. Next was Bob Hope Airport in 2003, which is still currently its legal name, although the airport was again rebranded Hollywood Burbank in 2017. The existing terminal is 232,000 square feet compared to the new 355,000 square foot terminal to be built. In 2016, Burbank voters approved Measure B, which was an agreement between the city of Burbank and the Burbank-Glendale-Pasadena Airport Authority to build the 14-gate terminal with the condition that no additional gates would be added. Besides the terminal just being old and outliving its usefulness, the main reason a new terminal was needed was to increase the distance the FAA recommends between the airport runways and the terminal building, and will include over 45,000 square foot area for aircraft, parking for both boarding and deplaning, as well as current earthquake standards. After several design reviews, the Airport Authority picked the name Icon for the new terminal, which promises to provide many options for shopping and dining. Upgraded restrooms, more space to move around, a new ticketing lobby, a new baggage screening system, and an updated TSA checkpoint. One thing that will stay the same is the unique loading and unloading of passengers on planes. Instead of the traditional elevated walkway ramps that most airports use to board the front of the plane only, Hollywood Burbank will continue to use a stair system and board and deboard passengers from both the rear and front of the planes simultaneously. It is projected that the new airport terminal will be up and functional sometime in 2026, which should give the authorities time to work out all the bugs in preparation of the 2028 Olympics, scheduled for Los Angeles. The new terminal's price tag will run about $1.25 billion, and will be funded by different grants and revenue bonds. No funding is coming from the three cities of Burbank, Glendale, or Pasadena that own the airport. The terminal also looks for new sustainability and will work to get a LEED Silver certification. Some of the features will include electrical vehicle charging, electric ground service equipment, airside water use reduction, and connections to the regional transit network, although specifics have not been given yet. When the new terminal is up and running, the old existing terminal will then be demolished. While there are no stated plans for the area, it is anticipated the land will be used for additional parking to supplement the parking that was lost to build the new terminal.